everybody, welcome to our channel. As the Onam Festival is heading, we would like to show you how to do a Onam floral decoration called Pookkalam. So for this we need different colors of flowers and a chalk piece to draw a basic design on the floor first. So baby, shall we start?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, here we are going to draw the basic Onam floral design. Baby, which shape is this one? Circle. First draw a small circle so that you can put a candle in this brass lamp. And what is this? Big circle. And this is big circle again. Another big circle. Let's decorate it. Very good. Onam is a traditional festival of the state Kerala. Kerala is called the God's own country. So, Onam is a very important festival for Malayalis, which is a 10-day long harvest festival. On the occasion of this festival, they have different activities throughout these 10 days. They make Pookkalam, which is the floral decoration with the help of varieties of flowers. Pulikali is a folk dance form of Kerala where the men play with the tigers, dance by wearing the costume of tigers. This is also a very important part in the Onam festival. Apart from the floral decoration and the Pulikali dance form, another important highlight of this Onam festival is Onam Sadya. Onam Sadya is a elaborated meal of the Malayalis, serving of about 68 to 100 plus dishes on a banana leaf. This is called the Grand Onam Feast. And the last highlight of this festival is boat racing, which is called Vallam Kali. This is a main attraction of the